Welcome back. It is the 10-month update for our 8-way paint protection film comparison test. This hood has been sitting outside in the Texas elements 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So as usual, we'll foam it down, rinse it, foam it, wash it, rinse it, and dry it. And we'll see how things are holding up. And this month, what I'm going to do is after I'm done with this wash, I'm going to take it inside, put it under our scan grip lights, and inspect it a little closer. In 2 more months, at the 1-year mark, we're going to inspect everything very closely. We'll probably get the gloss meter out, maybe even the microscope. So we'll see what we can do there. If you've been following this test, Ceramic Pro Kavaca has been performing the worst. It's kind of darkened, not so much yellowed. It's almost like a grayed color, and you can see that. You'll see it here more in a minute. When you talk to the Ceramic Pro people, they said, "Oh, well, he installed B-roll, so it's practice film." Nope, this was retail film. It was not B-roll. I just wanted to clarify that. They said all of these that are on this hood are their premium. They're premium films. They're not training films. They're not B-roll. They're not subpar. This is their actual retail sales. So there you go. Ceramic Pro Kavaca. You can see much darker than the rest. All of them have yellowed or discolored somewhat to an extent. None of them have look like the day they were installed, where they're completely invisible. So you can see Lumar, Flexi Shield, they're all doing it. And the least, in my opinion so far here, is Hexus, with the caveat that Hexus is 1 month behind in this test compared to the others. We've thrown eggs at this, we've thrown and baked bugs on it, we've spray painted this hood, we have done scratched it like crazy, just all kinds of stuff that we've thrown at all these films. So to see that the real purpose here is that it's protecting the paint. They are all doing that and doing it well. You can see some of them are more clear than others. Ceramic Pro Kavaca has some water spotting issues. Has some swirls as well. 3M, very light swirls. S-Tech, same deal. That line in it, that was a film defect. Premium Shield, that spot you see, that's where when we were trying to self-heal with a heat gun, we got it a little too hot, so that's our bad. Expel looks very good as far as the swirls, as does Lumar and Suntech, and Flexi Shield. So how does Hexus body fence look? Not too bad. It's got a few swirls. That's a defect from the egg that you see there. So anyway, there is your 10-month update. Stay tuned. Next update for this hood will be most likely at the 1-year mark. So excited to see what we're going to find there. Thanks again, guys, and we will see you soon.